Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many Tmux users face when working with the send keys command. The issue at hand is that this command has a tendency to do what you mean, which can be both a nice hack and a cause for concern, especially for those looking to use it programmatically. Sending keys like enter can lead to unintended translations, causing a bit of a headache for users. Now, onto the solution. The magic trick here lies in the L option, which essentially disables key name lookup. By using this option, you can ensure that the keys are sent in a raw mode, preventing something like enter from being automatically translated into a new line character. This simple addition to your send keys command can make a world of difference when it comes to sending keys programmatically within Tmux. In summary, the key to overcoming the pesky translation issue when using the send keys command in Tmux is to utilize the L option to disable key name lookup. This small tweak ensures that your keys are sent in a raw mode, allowing you to avoid any unintended translations that might occur. With this solution in hand, you can streamline your Tmux workflow and eliminate any unexpected hiccups along the way. And with that, we wrap up our discussion on solving the translation problem with the send keys command in Tmux. I hope you found this information helpful and that it enhances your Tmux experience. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech dilemmas you'd like me to tackle next time. Happy toading!